Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can make some extra bucks online just by doing some simple task, and you can also increase your earnings by making deposit, and you can actually withdraw from this platform without even making deposit, but you need to make sure you complete your daily task. Very mandatory. So if you want to know how this works, stick to this video till the end. What up guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Urban Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload a brand new update like this for you. So let's go into the video. 1 2 let's go guys. So if you want to be part of this platform, you want to take advantage of it and make some extra cash online, there is a link in the description of this video where you can click, and it's going to bring you up to this particular page you are seeing here, where you're going to be signing up. And I've already gotten an account on this platform, so I can't sign up again, but I'm just going to show you what you should do right now, right away. So all you need to do is to come over here. Write your username, put in your password, rewrite the same password here, then invitation code will appear automatically once you click on the link, so you don't need to put anything there. Then over here you put in your phone number, you change your code, you make sure you change your code, your area code. Okay, this is looking too rough. All right, so you put your country code over here, then you put your number, then this is the verification code you have to copy and put over here. So, and all you need to do after all this is to click on register now, and you have an account created for you. So quickly I'm going to log into my account so that you can show you, so I can show you how it's done, how it works. Okay, so now here we are on the platform. If once you get to this platform, without you making any deposit, you will have the ability to grab some orders from this particular level here, this very one. So this other one will be open for you once you make deposit on the platform. So for now, I'm going to show you how you're going to be grabbing orders, how you're going to be making the money with this platform. So in order for you to start making money on this platform, what you need to do is to click on the okay, let's go to the my toy shop over here. You can see I've already done some tax earlier on. That's why I have this on my commission balance. I have these orders completed. I already did some, so that's why you can see that. But I won't be able to grab here because I've already finished grabbing everything for the day here, but I can do that on this second shop. Okay, now here we are. For you to be able to use this second one, you will need to make deposit, and let me quickly show you how to make deposit on this platform. First of all, so all you need to do is click on deposit, and before I go any further, I would like to let you all know this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you things you can do online to make some extra cash. So if you want to join or do anything, make sure you make your own thorough research before joining any platform. So that's that. So let me just show you how you can make deposit on this platform. You click on deposit over here, and it's okay. You have two options, the TRC20 or the ERC20. I will advise the TRC20 because of the fee is lesser than the other one. So just click on next. Okay, now here we are. The minimum to deposit is $30, you can see over here, and the maximum is over here. So So in order for you to make this deposit, all you need to do is please input the number you write over here, or you can just click on it here. It's going to appear there. Then you copy this particular link over here. You copy it, click on the copy, then you go to your wallet. Sorry, you go to your wallet, you make the transaction, and you come back here, copy the transaction hash from wherever you sent it, from your wallet or anywhere. You copy the transaction hash and you bring it back here and paste it here, right here. Then you can click on confirm. Then you click on confirm over here. Okay, sorry. Then you click on confirm and it's gonna reflect on your balance over here. Let me just quickly show you where you click on mine, then over here you can see it on your balance over here. So now quickly, that's how you can deposit on the platform. So now let me show you how you can quickly complete your daily task. Okay, so in order for us to be able to do our daily task, all you need to do is to click on okay, because after depositing I have this option available. I can also click here in order for me to complete my daily task. So let me click there. After clicking, okay, you can go down, read what is written over here, the rules and regulation, which is very important. You need to understand what is going on over here. So it's like every members in this room is able to grab 35 orders per day. So you can do this automatic grab only 35 orders per day. Then you'll be earning 0.3% of each order a month. So it depends on the amount on your balance. It also requires you need to know the amount on your balance determines how much you're going to be making in a day. So now what I will show you is how it is done. All you need to do is now take note of this and take note of this. And now okay, now let's go to automatic grab, this one over here. Click on automatic grab and see, wait for the countdown, then wait. Okay, now good. So all you need to do is click on submit. Okay, now before then, quickly, this is the amount that was taken out of my balance, and you can see the commission that came with it. So all you need to do is to click on submit in order for my account to be okay. Very good. Now you can see my commission has been added, my order has increased to 29. So that is how you need to continue grabbing this. You need to continue clicking on automatic grab till you finish up with your 35 order of the day. Then you'll be able to make withdrawal. Let me quickly show you how to make withdrawal also from this platform. Okay, now in order for us to be able to withdraw from this platform, all you need to do now is to click on withdraw over here. You have not set your payment power, so you cannot withdraw. Do you want to set? Yes. Confirm. Click on confirm, then you go ahead, set your payment password. I'm going to cover this now so that you don't see mine. Then you just put in 4 digits to set. Okay, then submit. Success. So okay, now we've added our transaction password. So all we need to do now, in order for it to submit to withdraw, you click on withdraw. You have not added a withdrawal method. Okay, so we need to add a withdrawal method also. You click on confirm, then you have to add a withdrawal method. Click on it. Okay, so to be able to add your withdrawal method, you need to come over here, fill in the informations here. Let me just put this all one time. Then my email, put in email address, then number, and these ones are optional. Then you go to you make sure you go to your wallet. Maybe you use your Tron Link Pro. I'll leave a link in the description of this video for you to use the Tron Link Pro. Okay, let me just show you what Tron Link Pro look like over here. Yeah, all right here. This is my address. Let me just go back. I'm back. Okay, in Tron Link Pro you can easily get a USDT on the TRC20. So all you need to do is click on it and receive a copy. Then you go back, paste it over here like this. All right, then go up, put your transaction password, the one you created not long ago. Okay, then submit. Success. Alright, confirm. Alright, now I've added my wallet's address where I can withdraw my money into. So you can also take your time to read whatever is said here right now. Take your time to read it. And okay, that's how you can add your withdrawal method to this platform. So now let me show you how you can actually withdraw. All you need to do is click on withdraw from here. Okay, then what you need to do, the minimum withdrawal on this platform is 20 USDT. That's the minimum you can withdraw. So yeah, you can take your time and read what is written here. Sorry, excuse me. Or read what is going on here so you know what is really going on. The amount of a single withdrawal is between 20. They say so the minimum is 20 tron, and the payment shall be made within 72 hours after the withdrawal application is approved. So after the withdrawal is approved, you should have patience. Within the next 72 hours, you get it in your in your wallet. So all you need to do is to put the amount over here. You write the amount you want to withdraw, and you come over here and put in your code, your transaction password that you created, and all you need to do next is just to click on confirm over here, and you will receive this in your wallet. Okay, now that's how you can withdraw from this platform. So another thing I would like to show you is how you can earn more on this platform. That's what I'll be showing you here. You should take your time, go ahead and take your time to read what is happening here, but I'm going to go briefly. I'm going to show you briefly what you need to understand is you need to go ahead, make sure you do your tax daily. You need to do, because the more tax you do daily, the more you earn. So take your time and read what is really written here. Without making any deposit on this platform, you can grab 20 orders per day, and which is a commission is 0.22% per day. So even without making any deposit, you can withdraw by doing this tax every day without missing anyone for about, I think, 70 orders. If you can make 70 orders, you'll be able to withdraw from your balance. And also you can earn from using your invitation link. Over here you can see the levels. Using your invitation links, you can get more bonus on this platform. So in case you don't want to use the site, you want to use the application, you can go ahead, download the application on your phone instead of going through the website every time. Download the application on your phone so you can use it. So in order for you to send your invitation link and grow your team, you need to click on friend invitation. Then you come over here, you copy your invitation link. This is your invitation link. It's better you copy your invitation link and share it, or if you like, you copy the code, but I recommend you use link is better and not this one. So you copy your link and share with your friends in order for you to earn more on this platform. So that is how this platform works. If in case you need any if you have questions you want to ask, you can go ahead, click over here so you can talk to the customer service. Let me bring this up. You come over, you click here, then you can talk to the customer service. Or in case you still find some things difficult that I can quickly answer you, you can go to the comment section of this video and put it down there. I'll be giving you an answer as soon as possible. So that is how this platform works. Like I said earlier on, it is left for you to make your own research before joining any platform. So I'm just showing you how you can make some extra cash online. So if you like what I just showed you and you want to be part of this, there's a link in the description of this video. Go down below, click on it, and you'll join the platform. And make sure you do your tax daily in order for you to quickly cash out from this platform. And give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click on the bell sign so you get notification each time I upload a brand new update. So I'll see you again in the next video. Ciao.